Good morning, students. Hope you are all doing fine. Let's continue solving our final revision sheet part 1. Question 17. What are the missing numbers? In this question, we will revise the number pairs, the number family. Family of 10, family of 20, family of 100. It is the numbers we add together. For example, two numbers we add together to get 10. Two numbers we add together to get 20. Two numbers we add together to get 100. So let's start with number A. 2 plus a missing number equals 10. What is the other pair of 2 that gives me 10? I will put 2 in my mind and count on my fingers until I reach 10. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers? 8. So the answer here is 8. Number D. A number plus 4 gives me 10. The same way, I will put 4 in my mind and count until I reach 10. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers? 6, yes. Okay, number F. 8 plus a missing number gives me 20. How shall I solve this? What is the number pair of 8 that gives me 20? Okay, I will put 8 in my mind and count until I reach 20. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, I'm counting so much. I'll tell you a little secret. Okay, count after 8 until you reach 10, not 20. After 8, 9, 10. How many fingers? 2. Now I reached 10. 10 plus what gives me 20? 10 plus 10. So I'm raising 2 fingers to reach 10. And I need another 10 to reach 20. So my missing number here is 12. If you are confused, you can count in the normal way we said before. Okay, number G. A number plus 9 gives me 20. Okay, 9 plus 1 gives me 10. To reach 20, I need another 10. So 10 and 1 is 11, yes. Okay, number I. 50 plus 50 is, if you are confused, just think about it as 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 50 plus 50 is 100, yes. 40 plus a number equals 10. To make it easier, 4 plus a number equals, 40 plus a number equals 100. To make it easier, 40 plus a number, 4 plus a number equals 10. 4 plus what gives me 10? 4 plus 6. So 40 plus 60 gives me 10. Or you can count in perfect tens. Put 40 in your mind and count in tens on your fingers. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 6 fingers and each finger is a 10. So it's 60. 90 plus a number equals 100. What do you think this number is? Yes, it's 10. The last one. A number plus 0 equals 100. Oh, here I'm adding 0. So, what is the number here? Yes, 100 plus 0 equals 100. Question 18. Are the shapes symmetrical? Here, I will look at each shape. If I can draw a line of symmetry, so this shape is symmetrical. You remember the line of symmetry? It's a line I draw to cut the shape into two parts that are exactly the same, like a mirror image. So, shape number A. Can you draw a line to cut it into two parts that are exactly the same? Yes, I can. This line is a line of symmetry. Why? Because this part and this part are exactly the same, as if this line is a mirror. So, I am able to draw a line of symmetry. So this shape is a symmetrical shape. Yes, it is. What about this shape? Can you draw a line of symmetry? Yes, here it is. So this shape also is a symmetrical shape. What about this triangle? Oh, I can draw, if I draw a line here, it's not symmetry. A line here, it's not symmetry. A line here, it's not symmetry. So I can't draw any line of symmetry. So this shape is not symmetrical. It's not symmetrical. What about this shape? Can you draw any line of symmetry? Think about it. If I draw a line here, it's not symmetry. A line here, it's not symmetry. A line here, it's not symmetry. So this shape is not a symmetrical shape. Number 19. Is the dotted line a line of symmetry? It's like the previous question, but here he drew the line for me. So I will check. If the line is a line of symmetry, I will write yes. If it's not a line of symmetry, I will write no. Okay, do you think this line is a line of symmetry? This part is not like this part, so it's not a line of symmetry. What about this line? Look at these two parts. Yes, they are the same, so it is a line of symmetry. Yes. What about this line? Do you think these two parts, if I fold them on top of each other, will they be exactly the same? Yes, I think so. What about this line? No, it's not a line of symmetry. Do you know where to put a line of symmetry for this rectangle? Yes, you can put it here, or you can put another one here across like this. Okay, now we will start solving in the revision sheet part 2. The first question, this is a pictogram showing how the children came to school on Monday. Did they walk? Did they ride a car? Did they ride a bike? Did they ride a bus? Remember the pictogram, here we put our information as pictures, and also we had something called the key. What is the key? The key means, is this picture only one child or more? Let's see. Each symbol shows how one child got to school. So my key here is 1. Okay. How many children walked to school? Where is walk, walk, walk? Yes, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 children walked to school. How many children came by bike? Here bike, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 children came by bike. How many children came by car? Where is the car? Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 children came by car. How many children came on the school bus? Where is the bus? Here it is. 1, 2, 3. So 3 children came on the school bus. Question 2. I have here also a pictogram for here I have the name of some students, Sarah, Billy and Jess, and these teddy bears show me the number of stuffed animals each one of them has. There is something very important. Look, here is the key. So this teddy bear means 2 stuffed animals. Take care. 2 stuffed animals. So each teddy bear in the pictogram means or stands for 2 stuffed animals. So let's start. How many stuffed animals does Sarah have? Where is Sarah? Yes, I have here 2 teddy bears. Does this mean she has 2 stuffed animals? No. This is 2, this stands for 2, and this stands for 2. So she has 2 plus 2, which is 4. Or I can write it in another way. I can use multiplication. So 2 times 2 is 4. How many stuffed animals does Jess have? Here's Jess. I have here 1, 2, 3 teddy bears. Does this mean she has 3 teddy bears? No. How many does she have? She has 3 multiplied by 2, which is 6. Or 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. How many stuffed animals does Billy have? Here is Billy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Billy has 5 multiplied by 2, which is 10. Who has the most stuffed animals? Just look at the pictogram. Who has the most teddies in front of his or her name? Yes, it's Billy. So Billy has the most stuffed animals. Who has the fewest? Let's look here. Yes, Sarah, because she only has 2, which means she has 4 actually. Does Jess or Sarah have more stuffed animals? Here is Sarah and here is Jess. Who has more? Yes, Jess. Who has 6 stuffed animals? 6 stuffed animals. So 6 stuffed animals means that I have how many teddy bears drawn? 3. Yes. Who has 3? 1, 2, 3. It's Jess. Jess has 1, 2, 3, which is 3 times 2, which is 6 stuffed animals. Question 18. Put each number in its correct place in the Venn diagram. Let's revise first the Venn diagram. In the Venn diagram, I have 2 circles. Each circle has a name. So this circle on the left side is for even numbers. So any even number goes here inside this circle. The right side circle is for numbers more than 20. So any number more than 20 goes here in this circle. Okay, what if I have a number that is both even and more than 20? Where shall I put the number? And I have to write each number only once. So I can't put it here and then put it here again. So I will use this part in the middle. This overlapping part is for numbers that are both even and more than 20. What if I have a number that is not even and not more than 20? It's less than 20. It doesn't fit either here or here. Where shall I put it? I will put it outside the 2 circles, but still inside this big rectangle. So let's start with the numbers. Number 6. Is it an even number? What are even numbers? These are numbers that have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in the units place. Is 6 an even number? Oh yes, it is. Is it more than 20? No, it's less than 20. So 6 will go here in this part. 22. Is it an even number? Yes, because I have 2 in the units place. Is it more than 20? Yes, it is. So 22 fits here in this circle and in this circle. So what shall I do? I will use this overlapping part to put 22. This means 22 belongs to this circle and at the same time belongs to the other circle. 17. Is 17 even? No, because the number in the units place is odd, not even. Is it more than 20? No, it's smaller than 20. So 17 doesn't fit in this circle and doesn't fit in the other circle. So where shall I put it? I will put it here outside the 2 circles, but still inside the big rectangle. 35. Is it an even number? No, because I have 5 in the units place and 5 is an odd number. Is it more than 20? Oh yes, it is. So 35 goes here in this part, in this circle for the numbers that are more than 20. Now question 5. Write the analog time below each clock. Analog time, so I will write either o'clock or half past. Let's remember together. We said the clock, this is the clock face. The clock has 2 hands. The short hand is the hour hand. The long hand is the minute hand. If the long hand is pointing to 12, I call it o'clock. If the long hand is pointing to 6, I call it half past. So let's read. What is the time here? The long hand, the minute hand, is pointing to 6, so it's half past. Half past what? Here, this hand, the hour hand, is between 5 and 6. So it was 5 o'clock and the minutes hand moved until it reached 6. So it is half, it reached 6. So it's half past 5. Here, the minutes hand is pointing to 12, so it's o'clock. The hour's hand is pointing to 4, so it's 4 o'clock. Number 3, the minute's hand is pointing to 6, so it's half past. Half past what? Here the hour hand is between 6 and 7, so it is in the middle between 6 and 7, so it is half past 6. Yes, exactly. Here I want to write the digital time. Let's remember the digital time. In the digital time I write the hour, and then I write 2 dots, and then I write the minutes. Let's read the first clock. What is the time here? The hour is 5, because the hour's hand is between 5 and 6. So it was 5 and then it moved, but it didn't reach 6 yet. So the hour here is 5. And how many minutes? You remember? When the minute's hand is pointing to 6, it is 30 minutes. Yes, it is 30 minutes. Here the hour is 4, and then I put 2 dots. How many minutes? We start from 12, so here it is 0 minutes. The last one, what is the hour? The hour hand is between 6 and 7, so it was 6 and it moved a bit, and it reached the middle, but it didn't reach 7, so the hour is 6. And how many minutes? The minute's hand is pointing to 6, so it is 30 minutes. So the most important thing here is that when the minute's hand is pointing to 12, it is 0 minutes. When the minute's hand is pointing to 6, it is 30 minutes. That's all for today. See you next time. Goodbye.